What's up, guys? It's your boy Ty, and today we will be doing another Fifine review. So this is the Fifine Ampligame gaming mixer. They did send me this, but I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion on this gaming mixer. So this gaming mixer can be used for microphones that have XLR. You can plug it directly into your PlayStation, your phone, your laptop, your computer, whatever, and you can use this as an audio interface. And again, this is needed if you are going to be using XLR microphones like the Fifine AM8, which I am using right now. And I think they even have a bundle where you can get both on Amazon for, a pretty decent price. But let's go ahead and check it out. What's in the box? Of course, first, they're always going to give you the user guide. And of course, that's going to have everything that you need to know, or you can stay tuned to this video. After that, of course, we have a USB-A to USB-C connection cord in the box. And after that, we have a 3mm audio line out cord. You can use this for connecting the mixer to your phone. And of course, they have a little tag up there and it shows you exactly what that's for. Next, we have the mixer itself. All right, on this mixer, we have a button for 48 volts. That's going to give you your phantom power to your microphone. We have an electric button, a custom A, custom C, and the button that controls the RGB lights. Then we have a voice changer. This thing does change your voice, and we're going to listen to a little bit of that. And then you have a custom B and D, and then you have a mute button, mute. And you have a mic monitor and another mute button. So pretty simple stuff right here. Then in the back of this, you have your XLR port. And then you have this switch right here that allows you to go from dynamic to condenser. So you would select that based on what type of microphone you are using. Then you have the headset jack, the line in, the phone headset, the line out, and the place where you plug up the power. All right, and that's type C. So pretty simple interface. So you can use this with any type of XLR microphone, but now we're going to plug this thing up and switch to this. Right now I'm using my Zoom P4 pod track, but we're going to go ahead and switch so you guys can see what this bad boy looks like. Okay, now I'm plugged up to the Fifine Ampligame gaming mixer, and you guys can see right here, it is RGB. If you hit this little light, you can siphon to different colors. My bad. Hope you guys can see that pretty well. Got blue, green, yellow, then a mix where it just goes from color to color going around. It's pretty cool. All right, and it slowly changes from color to color on that setting. It's a few different colors. All right, and it's notable that I have the phantom power 48 volts enabled on my microphone. I have the headset plugged up to this device, and I can hear the audio from my mic, the audio from my computer. It's all coming through on this gaming mixer. I do have it on dynamic because the Fifine AM8 is a dynamic microphone. And yeah, so let's go through some of this. Right now, I showed you guys the different colors, the RGB colors. I'm gonna keep it on this because it kind of suits my background. All right, and it has a voice changer. Let's check this voice changer out.
Hello. Oh, this is the male version of the voice changer. So I guess if you want to really play around, you can switch it to this.
And of course, we have the female version. And no, I'm not changing my voice, it's just doing it for me.
How do you change? Oh, sorry.
Okay, now it's a monster.
This is baby voice. So this is my baby voice. Ha ha ha. Woo!
Okay, and this is elder. Alright. So
All right, so I siphoned through all the different voice changers. So I held the button down and it went back to my normal voice. All right, I don't have any custom sounds uploaded to this, but that's what the custom A, B, C, and D are for. You can upload, your custom sounds through the software that's on it. That might be something that you want to do if you are a gamer and you have certain trademark sounds, or you want to play your theme music. You can do it with a simple push of the button with the Fifine Gaming Mixer. And at the last button over here is electric. All right, and then when you hit electric, it kind of changes your voice just a little bit, kind of like some auto tune type thing. So you can play with that. I guess if you're a singer, you want to hear some background noise, or you just want to play around with stuff. It's pretty cool. Like I said, you might find use for this. Me personally, I don't, but it's a fun little device. So we're going to get off of that. All right, so yeah, I just went through all the buttons on this, and then the rest is pretty simple. You have a mic volume up, and you can cut it down. That's what I just did. And then you have a line in. So if you had like a caller, or you was connected to your phone with that 3mm AUX cord, you can plug into, so you can have a phone call and plug your phone call into this, and you can get you can record it, or however you want to do. If you want someone to get into your game, or want some advice, just want to do some talk show host type thing, you can plug in. That's pretty neat. And then you got your headphone monitoring. I got that up. And you got your line out, and that would be if you were connecting to your phone and you want people to hear your mixer. You want to mix things and then put it on the phone. So I guess if you want to call somebody or talk to somebody, change your voice and plug it to the line out, you can be talking on your phone. It's pretty neat. So yeah, that's it. That's an overview of the Fifine Gaming Mixer. Now, let me give you guys my final thoughts. So those features are pretty cool, but if you want to do something more in the future, you will have to upgrade. So let that be known. Again, this is a pretty cool device, but it's pretty limited because it only allows you to plug up one XLR mic. My Zoom PodTrack, I can plug up 4 different mics, and they're all going to be hooked up to phantom power. So that's what I use because I do podcasting along with YouTube. So it depends on what you're using this for. If you're just going to be gaming, that's why it's called the Fifine Gaming Mixer, because this is perfect for a gamer that's on their device and wants to use a cool RGB XLR microphone like the Fifine AM8 while they game, or you do it on your computer, your PlayStation, whatever you game on. This mixer will be perfect for you. It's affordable and it'll be perfect for you. But for people that are looking to do things like podcasting and branch out maybe in the future, it might be a little limited, or it might have features that you really might not need, like the voice changer and all of that. Again, this is perfect for gaming. This is a perfect mixer for this mic. If you are a gamer, this is it. All right. So that's my thoughts. Those are my thoughts on the Fifine Ampligame gaming mixer. I appreciate y'all checking me out. Peace.